This desert isn't actually silent. Listen closely. That sound is coming from the sand itself. In some deserts around the world, certain sand dunes can produce deep humming and booming sounds when the sand shifts or collapses. Researchers have documented this phenomenon in places like Morocco, China, and parts of the American Southwest for years. And somehow, nobody completely agrees on why some dunes do it better than others. The leading theory is that dry grains of sand vibrate together at specific frequencies as they slide downhill, which is a very scientific way of saying the desert starts making horror movie noises when it moves. Some dunes get loud enough to sound like engines or distant thunder, because apparently quicksand wasn't enough drama for one ecosystem. And the strangest part is, the sound can travel for miles across the desert. So if you ever hear the ground humming in the distance, maybe don't walk toward it like every horror movie character ever. Follow for more nature that feels slightly unnecessary.